Here by the square of Groningen, by the Torre Maritore there, look, a very big square. At old building actually dito sa square na to. And here has a grocery supermarket, Albertine. Grabe, oh, kahilera ng mga lumat. Saka yung building, tinan mo, yung isang historical building na lumang building. So dito ang Albertine. Wow, yayamanin si Albertine ha. Welcome to Groningen Albertine. So pasok tayo sa loob. Tignan mo, nandito siya sa may city center talaga mismo. So pasukin natin ang Albertine. So tignan mo yung building na to. Talagang this is the Albertine grocery sa loob ng historical building. May tindahan ng alak. At ito ang grocery. Wow! Oh, historical building. May ang grocery ng Albertine nandito.
It was a church.
Was a church before? Or something else? Ayan o. Grocery inside a historical building here in Groningen. Ayan nga, kinamang bubong niya o. Wow. Galing naman ng Albertine. Siguro napakamahal ng renta nila. I think it's too expensive, the rent here. Elevator doon. Diba? So, ano, kompleto naman sila. Laki ng supermarket ha. Yun, laki eh. Supermarket. So, inside, lahat alak, drinks, everything they have. And we see here, ice cream. Kumain na kami. Chocolates, wow, chips, oh, drop beer. Your drop yes also here. Diba? And you can pay your own scanner. Yan o. Mga scanner. Dami nilang scanner. Grabe. I think they only have scanner to pay. Want something? They also have some medicines here. Oh, diba? Galing. May mga tinapay din sila. Kompleto talaga. Isang Albertine na malaki. Galing. Itong, ganyan yung bubong. Magaling itong old building na to na ginawang Albertine. Yayamanin talaga si Albertine. And we will pay in self-pay. Ayan. Ganito sila. Wala silang kahera. Ganito na ang kanilang mga kasa. Walang kahera kahit isa. Ayan, tapos na siyang magbayad. We go out na. Ayan. Scan your receipt, then you can go out. Kasi yung lagay ng mga bote. So, that's the building, inside the building. Ayan, palabas na kami. So, kita nyo ang ganda ng building, historical building, supermarket na siya. I will put you to welcome to Groningen. So, this is the building of Albertine that we've been. Ayan, palis na kami, pauwi na. We go to the church first.